Hi everyone! In the past I already made some bottle openers. Back in time I used washers, and now I ordered online some metal thingies for the bottle openers. I had some scrap wood laying around, which was the perfect thickness, so I sanded it smooth and I draw my pattern onto the wood, and now I can cut it out on the bandsaw. Oh no, I first drilled the holes. Now that I've cut it out on the bandsaw, I'm using the belt sander to sand it smooth, and I'm giving it a round over on the belt sander as well. Some hand sanding, and later on I'll use my laser engraver to give it some personal touch. To finish them, I used Rubio Monocoat Oils. I used oil plus 2C. It's easy to apply. After 15 minutes, wipe off the excess and let it cure. After 1 or 2 days of curing, it was time to finish them with their new oil SheenPlus. As you can see, it gives a light, subtle shimmer to the wood. Now I can assemble them and then they are ready to open some drinks for you. Cheers! Thanks for watching and I'll see you in one of my new videos, or you can always watch an old video. Bye!